Good day everyone. Today we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate a YouTube title. First step we'll ask ChatGPT is to become a YouTube content creator. Think from that point of view and then give me a result which is the title which I need based on the content which I'll give. To save time I have already typed and kept some instructions. So first step is to give instructions to ChatGPT to be a YouTube title creator. So here it is. Act as a YouTube travel content creator and create a title. Give me the best title based on the context which I'll give to you. So let's see what is the response for ChatGPT. It's taking initial seconds as it normally does. Now sure, it has recognized. ChatGPT is telling me that I can create a title for your YouTube travel content. What is the context or theme for your video? So it is how to travel to Bangkok, how to travel to Pattaya from Bangkok by Mochit bus terminal. So there's already a video which I have done and uploaded based on that. So I'll just try to modify the title and let's see what outcome does ChatGPT gives me. So the result is here are 5 potential titles for your YouTube video based on the content you provided. Pattaya bound, a quick way to guide traveling from Mochit to bus terminals from Bangkok to Pattaya. Second one, how to reach your destination from Mochit bus terminal, your ticket to hassle-free trip. This is third one, looks good. Easy peasy Pattaya. Fourth one is very funny, like audience might like it. Step to getting there by Mochit bus terminal. Fifth one, the ultimate guide to traveling from Bangkok to Pattaya with Mochit bus terminal, quick and easy. So I'll just copy them and save. It also has some double quotes. Trying to regenerate the response and let's see if there is some other options. So just for curiosity, I'm saying that I didn't like it and asking ChatGPT to think again. Few more options. First is Bangkok to Pattaya, the quick and easiest way. I think this is repeated. Or step-by-step guide is the third one. Fourth one, traveling from Bangkok to Pattaya, question mark. Good, follow, like it creates a curiosity between the users that it's a question mark and here's the answer to it. Fifth one is Mochit bus terminal to Pattaya, the ultimate travel hack. This is also good. Second one I missed, Mochit bus terminal to Pattaya. The initial 5 ones, and if I compare, so in the notepad these are the 5 ones which ChatGPT had given me previously and this is the second one after regenerating the response. So it looks very good. Normally what people do is, what I do is to go on the YouTube and then search and see which keyword is there. Go at the bottom and look for these relatable searches from Mochit from the airport, bus terminal, but ChatGPT has also given a good options. So let's do one thing. Please comment and tell me which is the title which you like based on the most comments or like. If in case if I get any, I'll definitely use it, and the current one is already there, which is how to reach Pattaya from Bangkok to Mochit bus terminal, quick and easy way. This is an old video which I have uploaded with the information which YouTube. And if you think the title is not good, I can use the one which ChatGPT has given to me. So this is just an experiment how it's going on. So thanks for your time. Thank you so much. See you later.